And we're back in Pencil 2D. I got some fans on in the background because it's really hot in my room. Uh, but anyway, I finished it. I got it. I figured it out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. I'm pretty proud of that. Man, this brings me back to when I would mess around in a pirated version of Adobe Flash back in the old days. Oh man, that's good. You just animate a bunch of stick figures beating each other up and all that. I love it. So I'm gonna walk you um, through the whole thing here. Okay, so now I'm gonna kind of walk you through the steps on how I did that. So I'm gonna start off with the ball, right? Ball comes in. Ball comes in. Hits the guy in the head. Uh, hits the guy in the head. Bounces off. We're just gonna have it go out of frame there. And then I come all the way back here. Well, let me. Okay, he's gonna hit around there. So I'll draw my little guy around here. Look at that. And then when I go to the next frame, I don't know if it's like a weird bug or something, but I just go to the eraser and erase it and he shows up again. So I'm gonna draw him again and do the same for pretty much all the rest of the frames. I'll probably cut most of this out. This will probably be a little shorter of an episode. Okay. This one's the impact. So I'll have his head kind of deform a little bit and kind of have him starting to react to it. Actually, once it's hit, I'm gonna have his head right. He's starting to. Whoa. Whoa. How to zoom in? Okay. We're back. Okay. So I have him react here, being knocked back. Right. Get a little cartoony with it, get a little goofy with it, you know. Maybe have his head slow down a little bit. Or should I guess I'll just have him fall over. Have his legs starting to come out from under him. Okay. And now he's starting to fall. Have his legs and all that slip out. As he falls down onto the ground. Yeah, have his arms coming up. Shoot, I did it again. Yeah, and then I guess I'll have him bounce up a little bit off of the concrete. Okay. boom, boom, boom. We got this. Okay. And then he'll plop back down. And then he'll be dead for these next few frames. So I'm just gonna copy and paste them for these last 2 frames. Okay. Now let's have a little gander. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. Let me zoom out. Okay. Now let's watch. Look at him. Now I'm gonna add the blood effects on him. So when it hits, change the color to red. I want that a little bigger actually. I'm gonna get a thicker brush. Hit him in the head. Have it flying out. Yeah. And as it goes up here, have a little bit of this blood start to trickle down, fall down to the ground. Right. Still having a little stream coming out of his face because he was hit there. It's all coming out. Have the rest of this start to fall down to the ground. Look at this. Okay. And then as he hits, the ground, it kind of splashes into his face there. Here's where he hits the ground. Have it hit the ground and have it kind of splash back on his face. Come up and then it lands back down on his face there. Look at that. Look at that. Now let's watch it. Look at that. This is great. This is great, folks. Look at this. And let me just say, you don't need no fancy tablet to learn how to animate. You can do this stuff on your phone, dude. That's wacky. That's amazing. You don't got no excuses to not be creative out there, right? Cause you could do this stuff on your phone, free of charge. They got free stuff out there. You don't need no fancy tablet like I got here. I just got it because it clicks with my brain more. It's easier to use. Excuse me. But yeah. Anyway, I said this was gonna be a shorter one, so I think I'm gonna call it there. So again, I hope you're having a good day. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.